Hello and welcome everyone to the NCED podcast, a place where we discuss our school stories. We're starting off with a segment we call Nostalgia Bound, where we pick up a topic from school which pervades through the generations and is relatable to all. But before we get started with today's episode, let's just get introduced to the cast that's present here today. So we're all from the 2012 batch. You can probably see our names on the screen. And yeah, so guys, what have you been up to? It's been 8 years. Baba, let's start with you.
I've literally just been working. There's been no transition in my life for the last 5 years. What about you, Chinmay?
Uh, Sadly, I'm doing what every Indian guy does after school.
And what's that?
Engineering, and I'm about to finish my master's now. What about you,
Oh, that's
Malika?
great.
So I'm going to back. I'm going back to school now as well. I'm going to finish my masters right now, so that's why this episode was very, very relevant to me.
Oh, wow.
What about
I
you,
think all of
Shashwat?
your...
Well, there's so many of you in grad school. In fact, even I just started my PhD. So yeah, I mean, it's a new beginning of sorts in life.
So clearly, all
Very
of you all
true.
are going through big changes in life. I think this serves as a perfect segue to our topic for today, which is transition from our primary to secondary, right? I think all of you all can relate to this.
Smooth,
Yeah.
smooth, smooth.
Yes, absolutely.
So yeah,
Guys, do you remember the biggest transition that we had in school? Okay, this was for me though, but this was from primary to secondary, where in primary we did not have ties, but in secondary we started wearing ties.
Yeah.
You guys remember that?
oh yeah,
Yeah.
oh yeah, that's true, that's true.
Yeah, but one bad thing about those ties were they had those metal badges, and I remember we had to attach them using those safety pins, which sticks all the time. And I had
Yeah,
some very bad injuries because of the safety pin.
and the ties also went through a lot of changes because of that. Because we had stitched on logos at some point. Then we had those thread sort of a thing that we used to tie.
Yeah.
There was no samosa knot that existed after a while because we had that. Yeah, I mean,
Wait. 1 second. Malika, you spoke about the tie. Our full uniform underwent a complete makeover, right? Like from our uniforms to our skirts and different uniforms for the PT. The PT uniform was different and our regular was different, right? How do you figure that?
oh yeah, I think it was more significant for the girls because you guys went from the uniform to the skirt,
Yeah.
right? And correct me if I'm wrong. Like we all were trying to be cool, and girls were trying to fold their skirts up because they were the length of the gown. I think Malika could elaborate more on that.
We didn't fold our skirts. So basically what used to happen is that when we went to these stores, the skirts used to be very long, or like the sizes used to be large or extra large. So we had to
True.
fold them so it comes to our knee, okay?
I
That is a
second that.
misconception out here.
But yeah, you also spoke about two different uniforms, right? We had that normal school uniform and we had a PT uniform. What I remember about the PT uniform is like you girls, you had the color of your house as your skirt, right?
Yeah, as a skirt.
I'm so happy that the school didn't do that for the guys because we'd look like absolute jokers roaming around with red, green pants on the streets. But I don't get why. I don't get why the school had to choose white as a color because they knew we are wearing that for PT. And by the end of the year, that white pant had become brown. Yeah, it never
True.
made sense, right?
Butt prints.
But speaking of PD pants, I think the biggest transition was for the PT period that we had in
Oh
primary
yeah,
and the
Oh
PT period we
yeah.
had in
for
secondary.
sure, for sure.
I think in primary, do you guys remember that we had to do somersaults, cartwheels, and
Oh
dumbbell
yeah.
exercises? But I think in the fifth standard PT period, we could play whatever we wanted.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Football,
No,
basketball.
you know what? I'll actually want to correct you on that. First of all, not everyone was good at somersaults and cartwheels. You were good. Probably Malika was good, but I was shit. Second of all, playing football and basketball didn't happen in the secondary because if you remember, when we started secondary, we were made to do dumbbell exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
This used to
Still
happen for the
remember.
first 40 minutes or so, and then for the last 10 minutes we'd get the ball. But yeah, as the years progressed, we started getting the ball from the beginning of the PT period itself. Yeah,
Guys, this can be a complete all new episode, I think, because
oh
we
yeah,
have so
I
much to
agree.
talk about,
Yeah,
right?
true,
Do you
true,
all
true, true, true.
remember?
yes,
Do you all
I
remember?
agree.
I think another big change which we had was from one teacher for all subjects to like multiple teachers,
Oh,
for different
yeah,
subjects,
yeah, 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 yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
We had like
Yes,
one
true,
teacher
true.
in fourth teaching us everything, and now in fifth, I think everything changed, right? For different subjects, different teachers.
Yeah, like, do you remember anything distinct about
Yeah.
it though? Like, yeah. Uh,
I
we-
think Hindi and Marathi. Hindi we had one teacher in like one specific teacher in the secondary, and
Yeah.
also Marathi. Speaking
Yeah.
of Marathi,
Yeah.
Chinmay and I are Maharashtrian, but we sucked so bad at the subject. Chinmay, you have anything to add to this?
Yeah, I think we should all just break the stereotype that if you're a Maharashtrian, you'll be naturally good at Marathi.
That's
Sadly, that
true.
was not the case for me. And sadly, on this call, there is someone who excelled at Marathi than me and
Don't
or
wanna.
Malika.
Yeah, we all know who we're talking about.
Thanks, guys. That's very obvious. Thanks.
And you know, talking about this, like a lot changed. Like in primary, you said we had one teacher for everything, and because they were with us all day long,
Yeah.
they were really nice. I'm not saying the secondary teachers weren't nice, but we started feeling that this is very intimidating, and we were scared,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
Yeah,
And then
I
and
agree.
then and then sudden and then and all our answers started becoming longer and longer as the years progressed. But Marathi, thankfully, was just one line answers or three line answers, right? And for
Right.
Marathi, what I
Yep.
remember very distinctly is because they gave us the leeway that हाँ इन बच्चों को शायद नहीं होगा. We used to get topics beforehand, or we'd get to write on any topic, so we could pretty much freestyle. So the house
Yeah.
help that I had at home, she was Maharashtrian, and she'd actually help me with my Marathi. So I remember my first Marathi essay in school was माझ्या पाठशाळा, my school. And I think I remember the first two lines. माझ्या पाठशाळेचं नाव माणिकजी कूपर आहे. माझ्या शाळेच्या समोर एक पुस्तकालय आहे. And because I had these template 10 lines, I used to paste it in
Yeah.
every Marathi exam in which it was freestyle.
Every day. Yeah.
Yeah, and
This reminds me
yeah,
that there was limited marking introduced after that. I think the only
worst.
subjects, yeah, all the languages, I think we had limited marking, right? And that just, what do I explain to my mom? Like, why didn't I get full? Because they just felt like cutting my marks. Like, what do I say?
Yeah, I mean,
I guess my mom didn't expect that from me.
Yeah, Chinmay,
Gave
given
up
that you were
on you after a
Maharashtrian and you were
positive.
messing up. And the most irritating thing about limited marking is, see, already language papers, I didn't know matras properly. It took me till the 8th grade to know Hindi pe kaun si do matra lagti hai, right? And now we had
Oh, wow.
another reason to lose marks. You're getting 4 out of
Exactly.
7. And
Yes.
yeah, there's absolutely no explanation for that, right? And yeah, I mean, exams itself there was such a new thing when it came to secondary. Right?
Exactly. Guys, do you remember that in primary we started with pencils, Apsara and Nataraj? And then when we went to secondary, we had these pens, and we
That's
felt so
big.
big about it. We
Big,
had exams
yes.
with pens.
Big transformation, Malika.
Especially gel
Huge.
pens.
Yeah.
What kind of brands did you all use?
Uniball.
Pens. All
Fancy.
those people use
Uniball.
Uniball.
Yes.
Like
What?
so Link
Why
or
Reynolds.
something.
Yeah,
Reynolds was
Reynolds
the
for
best
me.
because it was
Yeah.
sponsored by Sachin
Agile.
Tendulkar.
Oh, Agile Cat as well. Yeah.
I know, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the boys in our class used to play pen fights. Do you guys remember that?
Oh,
Oh
God,
my
yeah.
God!
Most
Let's not go
frustrating.
there.
So
It was the
frustrating,
best
Malika.
game. What is wrong with you? It was like the best invention that we made.
With ink all over
You know how
with
much
ink
skill
all
I
is
over
know,
required to?
mouth and everything.
Do you know how much skill it required to actually hit someone else's
I'm
pen
sure.
out of the
Yeah,
test?
very lots of skills.
I'm sure.
Hand-eye
I,
coordination.
Lots.
you all need.
haters gonna hate. Haters gonna hate, but
You know what? One
true.
thing that is very distinct about pen fight is it's pretty much like gully cricket. Like every gully has its own rules. Every class had its own rules. And I think Chinmay, what I distinctly remember is you had some ultimate pen fight. Like, do you want to talk for like 2 lines about it so that people know that there was a
Yeah.
variation? I'm really excited
Please
about
tell
this.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think the normal pen fight was for kids, and cooler kids would play advanced pen fight. So I think if I'm not mistaken, I made the rules because I
Yeah.
had no friends, sadly.
Of course.
But no, I'm just kidding. I had a lot of friends. So
Sure.
yeah, so you could just randomly pick up pens and hit someone, but that's because I just wanted to be the star of the game. So, but yeah,
now that you say
basically the
that,
gist
I
about
mean,
one spent fight.
like Vibha and Malika reacted, that was gross. We had ink flying all over, and the fact that you said that
Yes.
we wanted to be the star. I think this need to be the cool was heightened in the fifth grade, because if you remember till the fourth grade, like in the fourth grade, we were the kings of primary school, right? We were the dadas,
Yeah.
and suddenly
Yeah.
we transitioned to the fifth grade,
Yep.
and the seniors are like, "Chal yahan se nikal," right? We lost all our footing, and I think that's one of the reasons why we just wanted to be cool in the fifth grade. Right?
I know.
Yeah.
Speaking of dadas, in we used to go to school by bus and come back home by bus, right?
Yeah.
So in the fourth grade, these guys used to sit behind, like total
I
dadas,
know.
just like he said. And
Totally.
then fifth grade में चुपचाप आगे आके बैठ गए ये लोग.
Me included.
Yeah.
I remember
We
I remember
always
being the
thought
bully.
sat in the front. Exactly.
Yeah.
I can relate to that, especially when we had like separate lunch breaks during the primary.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
for some
yeah.
reason, we used to collect all these foil wraps and convert it into a ball and play football.
Oh, loved
But
it.
then
Wow,
sadly,
guys.
Football.
when we changed to
Sasta.
secondary, the seniors used to just pick up balls and just throw it out in the slums. So
Oh.
that just
Ah.
shattered our dreams of being the star. So,
Yeah, it used to be too bad. Like you spent so much of time trying to make that foil ball, and then again you have to go grab
Agreed.
everyone's dabba that's over.
Oh
We'd
my
have
God.
gravy dripping
Yeah,
from
yeah,
the
I
ball.
remember we.
Ew.
Yes, I remember. We used to beg people to give us their foils. Yes.
And
Ew.
I mean, with a lot of things that changed from primary to secondary, I think that there are a few things that either existed in one and didn't in the other. For instance, do you remember AV rooms? We had them
Oh
in
yeah,
the
80
primary.
period.
Yeah, we had AV
No.
periods. It disappeared in the secondary. I think the only thing we
Yeah.
watched in the secondary on TV was As You Like It, which was a Shakespeare play for the boards.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I remember.
That stopped. That ceased to exist. Then, if you guys remember, we were given library cards in the fifth grade because we could now access the
We
library.
never used it.
Did we?
Yes,
Did
we
we get
did.
library cards?
We never
then?
use. Which we never use.
Yeah,
I don't remember.
Never
yeah.
use.
Clearly, no one remembers this. And the last thing that I remember, very insignificant. When we were kids, primary, we had this rectangular shaped bag. You remember? It used to open like a file, and then everyone just shifted to your
Mhm.
normal backpacks, right?
Dude, those
Yeah.
Why don't I
rectangular bags
remember
were
any of this?
amazing. I used to go to
Really?
Alpha before school and buy the
Speak for
Garfield rectangular
yourself.
bags.
Speak for yourself.
They were so cool.
Speak for yourself.
Really? Malika, no.
Yeah.
I don't think that was cool. I've never gone through that phase.
Oh, wait.
But yeah, wait.
Yeah.
The house allocation, right? How did y'all forget
Exactly.
that in
Yeah.
fifth?
Oh
That's
yeah,
exactly
I
what
think we
I
spoke a
had.
lot about the PT period, but we never spoke about.
I
Did we
Yeah.
forget
know.
that
We
we
should.
were divided into 4 houses? I remember, I don't know if y'all remember this, but the first PT period of our fifth standard, where all of us were, so I had Dubey sir, okay, as my PT teacher.
Same.
And all he did was like, guys, y'all are like 40 people, just like divide yourself in 4 lines. And I remember this, that I remember being part of the third line. I'm like, my instinct told me, no, shift to fourth. I shifted to the fourth line and it turned out to be a yellow house. And I remember being so disappointed. It was like just the worst day of my life.
What?
Oh
What?
no. Yes,
fucking
at
idiot.
least I
Yellow
think
house.
we had. I think
I was
think
depressed.
Shashwat and I had. I think Aurora ma'am, and what she used to
Yeah.
do was she used to
Oh, lucky guys.
give out chits, and we had to do
Yeah.
house
Wait.
selection using chits.
Yeah.
Was there some sibling quota kind of a thing?
No, the thing is, both the PT teachers, they had their own sorting hat strategies. Right?
Yeah.
Like you said, Dubey sir had this segregation. Aurora ma'am actually
Line,
had a hat.
yeah.
She had Dubey sir's hat in which the chits were there. Right? So we had a sorting hat. But yeah, the point that Malika brings up, sibling quota. So I think we were still given the option to change houses, but we had no good reason. But those with siblings, either in their own batch or if they had elder siblings, they'd always use that as a quota to get out of their houses. But there is one exception to this rule, and he's with us on this call.
Chinmay
Chinmay.
Joshi.
Yes.
Wanna say
So
something?
sadly, my sister was in greenhouse, and as you
Ouch.
guys know, greenhouse is.
Yeah.
I think I should say no more.
Yeah, you should
Don't
say no more.
complete that
Yeah, we
sentence.
get it.
Yeah.
It makes sense in retrospect.
Also,
What-
I
what-
think
what-
this
ended up
this
loving,
can be
I ended up loving
this
Yellow
can
Home.
be
So
But I was making up for it, saying I ended up liking yellow now.
Sorry, just disclaimer. I love
you can't
yellow.
make up for it now. You know what? I
Done,
really love
Vibha.
this house rivalry. I really love this house rivalry because of Sports Day. That is where it came to the fore, which I also believe was a very big transition. Because if you remember, primary school sports days were us doing a limbo race, which is balancing a lemon on a spoon, doing
Lemon
sack
on a-
race,
yeah.
doing obstacle race, and doing langdi races. Yeah.
Yeah. Or you
Correct.
the ICSE folks will call it one-legged race.
Oh yeah, the
One-legged
one-legged race.
race.
Sorry.
Guys, you also
very
remember
funny
that we had
story.
March Past in the 5th? In the secondary, we started with March Past. Were you guys a part of March Past?
Malika, I think the only reason I was part of the March Past was because I was an office bearer, and I don't remember anything else. I represented Yellow House as the office bearer.
So
That's the same for me.
necessity is what got you all to be a
Yes.
part of March Past, guys. It is pure talent. You need to be good at it. That's why you have to be a part of March Past. So I was a part of March
Oh.
Or
something. Tum log
Or
join
that it was
kiya hai.
so bad that only losers went.
Oh.
I
yeah.
second Chinmay.
I second Chinmay as well. And you remember
Whatever
we had,
says your boat.
yeah, of course. And you remember, like, we went from these
True.
shitty races to these long 100-meter, 200-meter races. And you remember we had short put. And because we were hearing it for the first time, I thought it was called short put.
Short put.
I didn't know how to read it, right? But yeah, now that I think of it, we have a lot to talk about this because
Talk about
the houses
exactly.
get out a lot of emotions from within us, and I feel like this could be an episode in itself.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. So I think that's our bell for remember our 15-minute short breaks in school. I think that's finally come to an end. Yeah.
Finally.
So can we now
Time.
transition back to real life, guys, and get back to work? Yeah. Can we do that?
Let's do that. Let's do that.
Get back to work.
And
Thanks.
thank you everyone for watching this podcast with us, watching this episode with us. And yeah, feel free to share your stories with us. Stay tuned to watch more videos. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. The subscribe icon has been blinking at that corner throughout the episode. All right, see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.